For 2 years, this lady was blind in her right eye. The Lord just opened her blind eye. She began to see. Touch my nose. Touch my ears. Touch my other ear. Touch my nose. Are you happy that Jesus healed you? Give the Lord a mighty hand. God bless you. Enjoy your meal.
For my eyes have seen the King, the Lord of hosts. Then one of the servants flew to me, having in his hand a live coal, which he had taken with the tongs from the altar. And he touched my mouth with it. And he said, behold, this has touched your lips. Your iniquity is taken away and your sin purged. Also I heard the voice of the Lord saying, whom shall I send and who will go for us? Then I said, here am I, send me. The voice of the Lord cries out, whom shall I send and who will go for us?